Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 25 frugal habits you need to follow in your life. Frugal living used to be practiced from necessity. Now, frugality is almost trendy as more and more people embrace a less wasteful, more mindful existence. Living frugally doesn't mean you have to sacrifice everything you love, however. Truly wealthy people often embrace frugality, while also enjoying the finest things in life. These things don't have to be mutually exclusive. 1. Use everything until it dies. Have you ever seen someone with a six-figure salary driving a beat-up Toyota Camry? There's a reason for that. People who practice frugality as they build wealth know that using an item to its full potential is crucial. That's why spending a little more on a high-quality item is usually cheaper in the long run. Whether it's a car, a cup, or a couch, using things until they wear out is an important part of being frugal. 2. Pay yourself first. Putting money into savings accounts and investment accounts, rather than using those funds for entertainment, may seem like no fun at all. But the future version of yourself will certainly appreciate this form of frugality. It's not that you can't ever have fun, just be sure to save money before you do. 3. Don't max out your mortgage. You might be approved for a large amount of money for your mortgage, but that doesn't mean you should spend it all. Home buyers commonly borrow as much as they can when they're house shopping, which can lead to being cash poor or even underwater on your finances if you're not careful. A better option: take the frugal road and only buy as much house as you can really, truly, comfortably afford regardless of how much you get approved for. 4. Never pay full price. The beauty of living a frugal life is that you quickly learn how to score discounts on high-quality merchandise. Frugality demands that you avoid paying full price for anything unless you absolutely have to. Pick up your grill and patio furniture during end-of-summer sales and score deeply discounted holiday decor in the weeks following that event. It's all about knowing when to shop and when not to. 5. Learn some new skills. Hobbies make you a more well-rounded individual. Some hobbies may even pay you back. Learning minor household or car repair tasks in your spare time could save you thousands on contractor or mechanic fees. The more you know how to do, the less money you'll have to spend hiring professionals. 6. Don't go out to eat too often. Going out for a nice meal that someone else cooks is a joy that no one should have to sacrifice. But dining at restaurants several times per week, even cheap ones, is a sure way to spend too much money on food. The most frugal families save dining out for special occasions and cook at home more often than they dine at restaurants. 7. Keep an emergency fund. No matter how much money you have, unexpected expenses can pop up at any point and put a real dent in your savings account. Experts don't always agree on how much you should have in your emergency fund, but one thing's indisputable: you need to have one. 8. Use credit card rewards. They say nothing in life is free, but in the case of credit card rewards, you might as well get what you deserve. Using credit cards for most purchases and then paying them off at the end of the month is a smart way to take advantage of perks without going into debt. Frugal folks take advantage of all the free stuff they can get from credit card companies. 9. Stop gambling. Lottery tickets, slot machines, craps tables, no matter how you gamble, you're almost guaranteed to lose. Frugal-minded people avoid frivolous, costly activities like gambling, and they never play the lottery. Instead, they invest extra money into tangible things. 10. Plan ahead to avoid splurging. The best way to spend less money is by planning out both large and small purchases. Budget for regular expenses like groceries and do your research before buying large items like new appliances. Frugality doesn't mean you never spend money. It simply means that when you do drop some cash, you always get the best bargain. 11. Make a commitment. The easiest way to veer off course on your path to frugality: letting yourself fall back on old habits. Instead, ask someone like a friend, spouse, or loved one to be your accountability partner. Sure, $5 per day won't affect the bottom line much, but that frugal state of mind applies to all purchases, big and small. Cultivating frugality means being stingy in all areas of life. 15. Know when to splurge. Certain things are worth the extra cost. Being frugal means knowing that a more expensive washing machine today means you won't have to replace it quickly, which could end up costing more money anyway. Save money when you can, spend it on worthy items, and get on your way to a new frugal lifestyle. 16. Cook in bulk. In a similar vein, summoning the energy to cook dinner after a long day at work can be next to impossible. Unfortunately, I typically resorted to fast food, which only hurt my budget and my waistline. 17. Return things you don't need. Take a look at your recent purchases. Is there anything that you absolutely don't need? Make a trip back to the store or ship that item back and get your money back. You can even return groceries. Yup, you read that right. Groceries will take back spoiled food and non-perishable items. 18. Repurpose the fabulous clothes you already have. Do you love to shop? Do you consider having nice clothes and shoes a part of your fabulosity profile? If so, you probably already have a closet full of items that you hardly wear. Instead of going out to buy another pair of shoes that you'll only wear once and forget, consider shopping in your closet. There's probably a bunch of clothes and shoes lost in the back of your closet, waiting to be worn again. Organize your closet so that you can find some of these hidden treasures. Learn to repurpose the fabulous clothes you already have before spending unnecessary money on things you don't need. You can be fashionable even on a budget. 19. Check out the library. A library is an amazing place full of free entertainment. Of course, they have a wide selection of books. However, most libraries also have extensive collections of movies, magazines, and more. If you haven't signed up for a library card in your area, then please do. You might be able to sign up online, and you can access your local library's selection of books, including audiobooks, via apps like Libby and Overdrive. You'll be shocked at the sheer amount of resources available to you for free. Cooking in bulk has completely changed my dinner routine. Now I cook in bulk based on what's on sale that week. I typically cook on Sunday afternoon and have enough to freeze several portions. During the week, I simply take those meals out of the freezer and heat them up. My budget and my waistline have thanked me. 20. Buy a car you can afford. A car is a major purchase. In fact, it is one of the largest purchases you will make in your life. With that, it is critically important to buy a car you can afford. Don't let the bells and whistles of a shiny car steer you wrong. Instead, determine what you can really afford before you head to the dealer. 21. Walk or bike when you can. Although having an affordable car is great, walking and biking are much more cost-effective. Take the opportunity to walk or bike whenever you have the chance. You will save on gas while enjoying some exercise. 22. Shop around for the best insurance. Insurance can be a large expense. Not having proper insurance can significantly derail your financial goals. It is critical to choose the best plans for your life and your budget. Once you have a better understanding of what insurance you need, make sure to shop around for a policy. Shopping around can save you thousands. 23. Swap out your light bulbs. LED light bulbs use a fraction of the energy that a standard bulb uses. Plus, they last many years longer. Over time, it could add up to large savings on your electric bill. Consider making the switch. 24. Automate your savings and investments. After setting up spending goals, it is important to automate those goals. Otherwise, you may easily fall back into the habit of overspending. A good place to start is by automating your retirement savings through your employer. Next, consider automatic payments for all of your bills. Run through your finances to find new ways to automate your money. 25. Have date nights at home. Date night doesn't have to mean an expensive restaurant or a movie out. It can mean a board game night at home or a walk through your neighborhood. Find creative ways to enjoy each other's company while staying within your budget as a couple. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.